Ready to move in kahit hindi pa tapos ang down payment? Ready ka na ba? Meet Anatalia, a ready for occupancy home. Located along M. Villarica Road, Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. Tahimik na location, madaling puntahan, at premium ang datingan. Best part, pwede ka na mag-move in within 2 to 3 months. Kahit ongoing pa ang down payment mo. Designed for comfort at pang matagalan pa. 2 carport, high ceiling living area na maliwanag. Dining area with lanay. Enclosed, maluwag na kitchen area. Meron ka pang laundry area. Bedroom sa ground floor. With sariling toilet and bath. 3 bedrooms sa second floor, total of 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. Meron tayong lot area na 220 square meter at meron tayong floor area na 181 square meter. May espasyo sa paligid ng bahay, perfect para sa family at future upgrades. Down payment, payable up to 24 months. And good for bank financing, payable up to 20 years. Alegria, hindi lang bahay ang binibili mo. Peace of mind na din. Nag-iisang unit na lang. Huwag nang magpauli. Schedule your site visit now.